What makes it feel like Dollywood is that it's very homegrown and authentic. My name is Chance Smith. I am a Dollywood producer and manager in entertainment.
We often get asked where the best spot to stand to watch the drone portion of Sweet Summer Nights. Ideally, you want to be anywhere in Wildwood Grove to make sure that you get the full impact of the 3D animation. My name is Stephen Byrne, and I'm the Technical Operations Specialist with the Dollywood Company.
It's just all about having fun and having a great time for summer. Hi, my name is Hannah Muse. I am an Entertainment Production Supervisor here at Dollywood. Sweet Summer Nights, we rehearse. We begin just 7 days before the summer festival opens, and it's rehearsing always for 4 to 5 hours after the park closes. So we bring in a choreographer, and she teaches all the dance moves, and she gets the DJs and the teachers ready as well to be able to engage all of our guests in our dance party. And the entire cast of Sweet Summer Nights all have a daytime job in all of our entertainment offerings during the daytime. So they do their normal show during the day, they come, mid-morning, early afternoon into work, they do their shows, and then they go straight into Sweet Summer Nights at night and just bring alive our dance party.
So each evening it takes 7 technicians to put on our drone light show. It takes 2 pilots as well as 5 technicians who help set up all the drones and then visually observe the skies to make sure there's no incoming aircraft and make sure that all the drones are performing as they should. Each evening the team gets in at 5 p.m. and they begin checking all of our drones. So each one of the 500 drones that will fly each night gets individually checked. We make sure that all of the props are free of damage and freely spinning, make sure that the GPS module is connected, make sure that all components are firmly attached, and then, of course, make sure that the light lights up as it's supposed to and that the battery is firmly connected and fully charged for this evening's show.
As we were going into creatively thinking through the fireworks and drones music, we wanted it to be fun, of course, and we wanted it to be modern and hip and use some really fun, entertaining music that we have now, but also kind of telling the story of what you do in summer. And then, of course, we wanted to be really authentic to the park and some of the things that we have here, as well as Dolly Park herself. The truck rolling through there reminds people of driving through the Smoky Mountains. Then, of course, the iconic butterfly, which there's nothing else that's going to tell you that, hey, this is Dollywood, and it's a very impactful moment, using, of course, I'll Always Love You, written by Dolly Parton. Sweet Summer Nights, it's a real collaborative and super fun and meaningful experience that we all get to work together to put such a show together.